Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox UGC item not available in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. We're going to be talking about 8 solutions that will actually work for you. The first thing you want to do is check the item availability. So the item might not be off a sale, limited, or deleted. Check the item page description for any notes from the creator and try visiting the item in a private incognito window. If that is not the case, simply go ahead and check your internet connection, because a stable or unstable internet connection causes item pages to not load properly. You can try restarting your router or to switch a different network. If that doesn't work, simply try clearing cache and restarting app. Simply press Ctrl Shift Delete on PC, or if you're on your mobile, simply go to Settings, App Roblox, and then clear cache. Once you've done that and it still doesn't work, then you might need to go ahead and update your Roblox application, or even check the Roblox server status by heading to status.roblox.com. If that is not the case, some UGC items are only visible to the owner, so make sure that you verify the item ownership and also check experience restrictions. So that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.